Number 9, 13 Reasons Why 2017 to 2020 follows teenager Clay Jensen in his quest to uncover the story behind his classmate and crush Hannah and her decision to end her life. 13 Reasons Why, based on the best-selling books by J. Asher, follows teenager Clay Jensen, Dylan Minnette, as he returns home from school to find a mysterious box with his name on it lying on his porch. Inside, he discovers a group of cassette tapes recorded by Hannah Baker, Catherine Langford, his classmate and crush who tragically committed suicide 2 weeks earlier. On tape, Hannah unfolds an emotional audio diary detailing the 13 reasons why she decided to end her life. Through Hannah and Clay's dual narratives, 13 Reasons Why weaves an intricate and heartrending story of confusion and desperation that will deeply affect viewers. Clay Jensen returns home from school one day to find a mysterious box with his name on it outside his front door. Inside, he discovers a series of cassette tapes recorded by Hannah Baker, his classmate and crush, only she committed suicide 2 weeks earlier. On the first tape, Hannah explains that there are 13 reasons why she did what she did, and Clay is one of them. You can't stop the future. You can't rewind the past. The only way to learn the secret is to press play. 13 Reasons Why is based on the New York Times best-selling YA book by J. Asher, was created by Pulitzer Prize and Tony Award winner Brian Yorkey, who also wrote the pilot. 13 Reasons Why is the story of Hannah Baker, a high schooler who commits suicide. Clay receives a box of tapes from Hannah, his late classmate and crush, after she kills herself. On the tapes, which get passed along to other students based on Hannah's instructions, Hannah reveals the 13 reasons why she took her own life. The recordings of a girl named Hannah Baker who committed suicide, helping her lover Clay Jensen uncover the story behind her suicide and confronting each and every single of the culprits who lead her to commit suicide. The story is dark root of a girl who faces unfaithful behaviors of the people from her new residential school and so-called friends. Number 8, Cursed. Cursed is described as a reimagining of the Arthurian legend told through the eyes of Nimue, a young heroine with a mysterious gift who is destined to become the powerful and tragic Lady of the Lake. After her mother's death, she finds an unexpected partner in Arthur, a young mercenary, in a quest to find Merlin and deliver an ancient sword to him. Over the course of her journey, Nimue will become a symbol of courage and rebellion against the terrifying Red Paladins and their complicit King Uther. In addition, and Riva calls to show a coming-of-age story whose themes are familiar to our own time: the obliteration of the natural world, religious terror, senseless war, and finding the courage to lead in the face of the impossible. Cursed is an American fantasy drama streaming television series that premiered on Netflix on July 17, 2020. It is based on the illustrated novel of the same name by Frank Miller and Tom Wheeler. The set location of the series is the United Kingdom. In July 2021, the series was cancelled after 1 season. Cursed genre fantasy drama adventure action created by Frank Miller. Number 7, Spontaneous. When students in their high school inexplicably start to explode, seniors Mara and Dylan struggle to survive in a world where each moment may be their last. As an unexpected romance blossoms between them, they soon discover that when tomorrow is no longer promised, they can finally start living for today. Number 6, Love, Simon. Everyone deserves a great love story, but for 17-year-old Simon Spire, it's a little more complicated. He hasn't told his family or friends that he is gay, and he doesn't know the identity of the anonymous classmate that he is fallen for online. Resolving both issues proves hilarious, terrifying, and life-changing. Number 5, Knives Out. The circumstances surrounding the death of crime novelist Harlan Thrombey are mysterious, but there's one thing that renowned detective Benoit Blanc knows for sure. Everyone in the wildly dysfunctional Thrombey family is a suspect. Now Blanc must sift through a web of lies and red herrings to uncover the truth. Number 4, Daughter, 2016, a short film and awareness project exploring victim blaming and gendered violence in society, following 3 women out on a Friday night in St Kilda, whose lives become entwined and affected by an act of violence. Daughter explores the way women are viewed in society by following 3 opposing lead female characters on a Friday night out in St Kilda. Alethea, a soon-to-be wed businesswoman; Gemma, a mother and veteran sex worker; and Scarlett, a young impressionable party girl. Each woman varies in age, culture, wealth, education, and social status, but these women's lives will become entwined and affected by an act of violence this fateful night. Number 3, The Misguided. University dropout Levi begins a romance with his brother Wendell's ex-girlfriend. But when he learns of a deadly predicament Wendell faces, his loyalties become divided, and a reciprocal sense of duty to assist results in a tricky scheme of betrayal. Number 2, Imperfect Quadrant, 2016. A once-in-lifetime heist brings together 4 mismatched thieves whose personalities collide with each other. Set against the backdrop of the Australian outback, the thieves are forced into a series of unforgiving events. Number 1, Avengers Endgame. Adrift in space with no food or water, Tony Stark sends a message to Pepper Potts as his oxygen supply starts to dwindle. Meanwhile, the remaining Avengers, Thor, Black Widow, Captain America, and Bruce Banner, must figure out a way to bring back their vanquished allies for an epic showdown with Thanos, the evil demigod who decimated the planet and the universe.